Okay, so let's start with the animations. This is how you do double click.
How you do it? Right click?
No, you don't. You just have to press like this.
This is left click.
And this is the animations.
You look at the knife.
And then this is the double click.
Kare, arată aici, arată, kare.
On this one.
Right click, that's the right click, right click.
And then this is how it kills.
So you do right click and it's one shot, right? That's left click and right click.
Yeah. Only like.
Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the most powerful thing in the world I ever seen.
Oh,
well, can I see if it... Oh.
Yeah, do the sliding backwards and...
Yeah.
How you do the sliding backwards? Oh, that's the one, yeah. That's it, yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.
Yeah, I hope this helps you so much to get the Karambit.
Okay.
I played got the Karambit so much. This was my dream skin for a long time. I didn't want the best one. The best one was pretty old.
You bought the balsam when it was... Okay. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.